When problems try to break you, bow your head and talk to God. I'm sure He will never ignore you. Trust Him.
Leadership natin, makikita yung humility at gaya ng sinabi ko, integridad sa ating pagsilbi. Makikita yung purity ng ating mga intention. Makikita yung sincero na pakikipagkapwa natin sa ating mga pastor. Makikita yung pagmamahal nyo sa mga pastor. To make this commitment in the presence of God in this congregation, ayun, medyo malakas-lakas naman. I encourage you to draw strength from the words of 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 2. Shepherd the flock of God that is among you, exercising oversight, not under compulsion, but willingly, as God would have you, not for shameful gain, but eagerly, not domineering over those in your charge, but being examples to the flock.